Okay, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be doing a review on the JBL Go 4. I did obviously, I bought this on the day it came out a couple of months ago along with the Extreme and whatever else came out at the same time. But the video I did on it, the audio was messed up and then just kind of forgot to redo it. So here we are a couple of months later down the line, but it works quite well actually because I've got some of the new LG speakers here with me as well to do a comparison on. So I've got the new XG2 as well, which is slightly bigger but similar size, price range and everything. So it'll be interesting to do a comparison with that and some others. So yeah, that video will be coming out very shortly after this one if you're interested. But this is just a standalone review of the Go 4. So yeah, I'll take you around it a bit, take you through the small list of specs and then we'll play a bit of music. Obviously this is one of these speakers that isn't going to blow you away. It's just meant to be really portable, really cheap, and obviously have the best sound it possibly can, but so it retails for £40, which kind of feels like a lot in a way, but just because of how ridiculously small and light it is. But I guess it is really nice quality. It's got good USB-C ports, fast charging, Auracast, and it is really nice build quality. But yeah, I mean, maybe 40 quid on the slightly steep side. It'd be better off around the kind of 30. I think that would make quite a big difference. That would put it in the kind of soundcore realm as well. But yeah, 40 quid. It's 4.2 watt of output power, so you're not going to be blown away by this. That's never the point. But yeah, we'll see what that translates to later on. It's got 7 hours of playtime, which could be taken up to 9 if you have Party Boost on. Which is basically just like a battery saver with a fancy name. I think it's kind of more like, it's almost like an outdoor mode as well. So it actually apparently makes it louder, but it obviously turns the bass down quite a lot, which is, the big driver of battery draining. So hence why you get a couple extra hours there. But it takes 3 hours to charge with that USB-C port. Pretty standard values there. It weighs 190 grams. So yeah, ridiculously light. You could actually put this in your pocket even, which you can't say for many speakers, so that is a massive advantage. But yeah, 190 grams, IP67 waterproof and dustproof. Quite easy to do in this speaker's case because it's got one USB-C port, literally no other inputs. And yeah, the rest of it's very kind of rubbery and yeah, so quite easy to do there, I think. But it is running the new Bluetooth 5.3 version, which is very nice. So we do get Auracast. You can pair this with the other JBL, the new range, and hopefully some other Auracast speakers coming in the future. But yeah, so the spec sheet obviously isn't massive on this, but what we really care about is how it sounds. So we'll get the decibel meter on just for the fun of it, and we'll do a sound test with royalty at 80% volume. we saw the decibel meter peak at around 94 odd when it was faced right at it from right next to it. And for 4.2 watts, it's quite impressive. I remember thinking when I got this out of the box that it was almost the most impressive of the kind of new range of JBL speakers, because everything else you expect to be powerful and bassy, and when it is, you're just like, oh, okay, good. But you know, with this, you kind of expect it to sound pretty awful, and then when it doesn't, it's a nice surprise. So yeah, this is obviously not loud, and the bass isn't thumpy, but you know, to throw in the shower or to throw on your bike or to, you know, keep in your pocket to play when you're walking around, or just, yeah, kind of like really casual outdoor listening. It's one of the best. It always has been, which is why these Go speakers are so popular. And yeah, I mean, 40 quid maybe on the slightly steep side potentially, but as we'll see from the LG offerings in a minute, they're all kind of going around that same range now anyway. So yeah, I'll be doing that comparison. So if you're interested in that, then take a look. But otherwise, let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time.